In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the window transition effect on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the second of the two slides you want to input the transition in between, and then head up and select the transition tab at the top. Right above transition to the slide, select the little down arrow, and then underneath dynamic content, select window. And then you can select effect options up here, and you can change whether vertical or horizontal is your preference. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.